African tropical forests have fostered various morphological features of primates. Each primate species ranges multiple strata of tropical forest, searching for foods with visual, auditory, and olfactory cues. Quadrupedal or hanging locomotion have been developed in arboreal conditions, and some species adopted terrestrial locomotion on the ground. Various shapes of hand and foot reflect diverse life of primates in tropical forest. Small species use nails to climb and support in trees, while larger species grasp branches to move across trees. Some of large species move on the ground, and their hand and foot adapted terrestrial life. Human foot is a result of bipedal locomotion. In primates, food choice is correlated with body weight. Insect eaters are called insectivores, and they are the smallest. Leaf eaters are named folibles, and they are the largest. And fruit eaters are frugivores, and they are intermediate, and their body weights vary with increasing insectivory or folivory. This morphological features is contrasted with other mammal taxa. For example, carnivores eat meat and ungulates eat vegetative foods irrespective of body size. The variation in diet with body weight in primates is based on their diverse digestive ability. Insect and gum eaters have simple guts with sharp incisors. Fruit eaters have small stomach and simple intestine just to digest fruit juice. In order to digest leaves, primates have developed complex guts, that is, foregut and hind intestine. The foregut primates, such as colobus monkeys, have a large gut divided into 4 chambers, 2 of which are called foreguts with many bacteria to digest cellulose. Leaves are constituted of cellulose and antioxidants to protect themselves against folibles. So, primates relying on leaves weaken acid in guts or intestines to accept bacteria having cellulase to decompose cellulose and secondary compounds such as alkaloid or lignin. Great apes and humans are classified as hind intestine primates to accept bacteria in the large intestine. The evolutionary history in primates is summarized as the invader into the dining table of birds. Plants and birds had co-evolved in tropical rainforests before emergence of primates. Plants prepare nutritious fruits for birds, who swallow them and defecate seeds to take a role in seed dispersal. The first primates in evolutionary history were small, nocturnal, and arboreal, probably to avoid terrestrial predators and to avoid competition with diurnal birds. At the same time, bats also emerged as small nocturnal mammals in trees. They have evolved as nocturnal and flying mammals to avoid competition with birds so far. By contrast, primates did not choose aerial movements but developed arboreal locomotion with increasing body weight. When their body size exceeded those of birds, they started to invade into the dining of birds diurnal canopy with rich fruits and insects. It stimulated the development of visual ability, such as three-dimension and color vision, and simultaneously decreased olfactory abilities. Increasing body size required a stable and large amounts of foods, so primates gradually increased leaf eating in their diet with increasing body size. Feeding competition with conspecifics led some primate species to expansion of home range and to formation of groups. Large body size enabled them to descend trees, and formation of larger groups protected them against terrestrial predators. We human beings have inherited these abilities, which were acquired by the ancestral primates during this period.